a police sergeant in Indiana has been charged with 2 felonies after newly released officer body cam video allegedly shows him stomping on a man's head.
We're not going to do this, right?
Stop! You're done. You're done. You're done.
Eric Huxley, a 14-year veteran of the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police, has been charged with battery with moderate physical injury and official misconduct. These charges stem from an arrest made on September 24th for alleged disorderly conduct. The suspect was handcuffed and on the ground when Huxley allegedly kicked him in the face.
Right?
Stop! You're done.
The other officers involved in the arrest have been placed on administrative leave pending further investigation.
I'm upset. It hurts me to see any of our officers treat someone the way that you're going to see here shortly. No excuse for it.
In a statement to NBC News, Eric Huxley's attorney apologized for any pain caused to the person arrested and for any negative scrutiny placed on Huxley's fellow police officers, saying, quote, "This incident resulted from his perception of the need to attempt a trained police technique that unfortunately struck the suspect in an unintended area of his body." Indianapolis police officials say Huxley has been suspended without pay and that Chief Taylor has recommended termination. It is still an active investigation.
That's right.
Stop! You're done.